Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Audi A3 8V headlight bulb. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and open the bonnet, then remove the plastic cover behind the headlight. Wear gloves and unclip the wiring harness, twist out the old bulb, insert the new bulb without touching the glass, reconnect the harness, reseal the cover, and reconnect the battery to test the beam alignment. Begin by turning the wheel to improve access and safely lifting the vehicle if needed. Remove the wheel arch liner fasteners to expose the back of the headlight assembly. Unscrew any retaining bolts and gently pull the housing forward, taking care not to strain the wiring. If space is tight, partially remove adjacent components for clearance. Keep all fasteners organized so reinstalling is straightforward and efficient after you replace the bulb. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes workshop cleanup effortless, and its smart mapping keeps oil and debris away from your workspace like a charm. It's a handy tool for anyone changing bulbs or working on cars at home. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With the headlight accessible, disconnect the wiring connector and unclip the bulb holder. Remove the old bulb and replace it with the correct type, making sure not to touch the glass with bare fingers. Secure the bulb with the retaining clip or twist it into place, then reconnect the wiring. Turn on the lights to confirm the new bulb works and check beam alignment. Finally, refit the headlight, wheel arch liner, and any removed fasteners securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.